I'm going around collecting sounds. So after I collect the sounds, put them together in a beat. Certain sounds, depending on how they're arranged, take certain shapes. You know, they take up a certain space in my mind. I like that. The basic framework for most songs is really start with the rhythm, and that rhythm determines the major parameters of what can happen. You know, when somebody says, we're gonna do such and so, they say, okay, let's just talk. When you do it, that's when it means something in Detroit.